Here I have INFINIX Hot 12i, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera. Wait, no, camera won't do any difference. Firstly you have to open Google application which you have pre-installed on your device. Wait, where is Google? Okay, here it is. Like this, just Google application, then tap on the camera icon, then tap open photo gallery, allow, then search with your camera. So now let's scan, for example, this QR code. And after your device spots it, you just like tap on the search icon and it will it will suggest you to open a page which has been encoded into this QR code, like open website, copy link or share it with someone. So let's just go to this website, and yeah, that's how you can easily scan any QR code. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.